So hello guys. I guess I did a voice reveal. Oh yeah. Maybe my old fans know what my voice sounds like. So today we are playing Grow Garden 2. Right now my plants are growing. Actually no, my two pineapples. And the reason I have these green beans is because I use Team Green Bean. Try Team Green Bean out. It works. Oh good, shopping stock. What's in stock? Yes, bamboo. That's what I needed. What even is my most precious thing anyways? This will be a little relaxing place. Because I'm gonna put some props. Oh my word. Oh my god. I don't know what to say. Oh my word or oh my god. But I can only say oh my words. So oh my words, that's big. I'm placing bamboos for the wall. So I'm gonna get some gears. I'm going in the wrong shops. Why is the spring crate there? Rather great. I wonder what's in there. Oh, just normal things. So yeah, I'll get back when a, a crate that I need spawns in. So bye right now. Back and this is the future. It's currently 10:37 a.m. and the Roblox kids, Roblox Select, and the normal Roblox update just released. So I made like 3 accounts, but when I tried to do the normal Roblox, it failed. And it just became Roblox Select. Right now I'm in Roblox Kids. Yes, Roblox Kids. But at least I have Roblox Select because I made new account so that I can play Murder Mystery 2. What's going? Oh yeah. My Midas. Please mommy. I know what you want. 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 Wait, oh my words. The golden seed is next to me. I didn't even notice. There, I got the golden seed. Now hope no one will steal from me. I literally have this. Oh, someone is already getting it. Wait, who's gonna get that seed? You know what? I'm gonna get that. Oh my word, it's there. I know what you want. Come on, I still have more time. No. So guys, I feel energetic because it's currently morning, okay? If you don't believe me, wait. Yeah, I cannot show my home screen because it's a secret to all of you. It's a secret. They wonder what will grow into it. But we will know if we see it here. Bro. So they're just a carrot, a blueberry, and a strawberry. Good. You know what? You know what, guys? I think I might be posting in my Roblox Select account, or I might be posting in my Roblox Kids account. It depends if what game I'm gonna play. But right now, okay, guys. So I haven't been posting in a while, but I am editing on a new video. So wait. The video is done now. So guys, remember when there was like hackers or bots? Yes, I think they're bots. Oh god, wait, I need to pee. Oh god, I actually need to pee. So I'll keep my phone safe. I actually need to pee. I'm back. Sorry for taking so long if I did take so long. Also, by the way, you can friend me, guys. My name is right here. This is my name. You can put Aki Boy Pogi 49, or you can put Planetary Space Roblox. All the PS and R is at caps. Oh wait, those are remaining two there. You know what? I'm gonna jump. Boing! Bro, imagine. Oh yeah. I haven't checked the seeds. Shut. Bro, just restarted and then I was checking. Great! Great!